boys and girls, happy Friday. We are going to get started with our lesson. So, rhyming, I say two words. You repeat them. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, give me a thumbs down, okay? Here we go. Jack back. His there. Pick chick. Little skittle. Pie sigh. You got it. Next one, onset fluency. I'm going to say two words and the sound they start with. Then it's your turn. Petal, peel, p. Little, lost, oh. Corner, cat, k. Horn, hot, h. Sat, saw, s. Great. Next one, get your choppers out. We're going to do our blending phonemes. We're going to do our two pieces of the word and then blend it together. Watch me, then you try it. Sh, I, shy. Z, oo, zoo. O, low. Ya, oo, you. D, a, day. Great job. Next one is isolating our final sounds. This is when we're going to pull our word across and punch it out at the final sound. Watch me, then you try. Buzz. Make. Eat. Plum. Good. Awesome. Next one we're going to is our segmenting phonemes again. This time we're going to say the word, then chop it into pieces. Repeat after me. Moo. Ooh. Me. E. Toe. T-o. Sigh. S-I. Pay. P-A. Excellent. Next one is adding phonemes. You need your hands. We are going to start off with a piece of a word and add a beginning. Repeat after me. A. Add May. E. Add w. We. I. Add t. Tie. O. Add s. So. Ooh. Add z. Zoo. Excellent. Next one is deleting phonemes. You're going to hold a little word in your hands, and then we're going to take away a piece of that word. Repeat after me. Goo. Without g, what's left is? Ooh, good job. Hi. Without h, what's left is? I. Way. Without w, what's left is? A. B. Without b, What's left is E. Mo. Without what's left is O. Excellent. Next one is segmenting phonemes. You need to have your fists out. We're going to be changing out the beginning of our word. All right, your first word, Jack. Change J to B. Back. Back. Change B to T. Tack. Tack. Change T to S. Sack. Sack. Change S to P. Pack. Pack. Change P to J. Jack. Awesome. All right, today we get to finally hear the end of our nursery rhyme, Little Jack Horner. I'm going to say the whole thing, and then you try to say the whole thing. If you don't remember, back up the video and listen to me again. All right, here we go. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a Christmas pie. He pulled out, let me start again. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." All right, you try. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye-bye.